A good deep conditioner can change the game for your hair. I repeat, a good deep conditioner can change the game for your hair. Hello, I'm Carrie. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my little DIY deep conditioner for extremely dry hair. So if your hair seems really dry and it's not holding a whole lot of moisture, because we all know that natural hair is super dry, then you may want to consider try deep conditioning for your hair. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the products that I use to do my little DIY deep conditioner. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. As you can see, my hair is super dirty and extremely dry, and I'll be washing my hair with the OGX Charcoal Detox Shampoo and Conditioner. And right here I'm showing y'all the products that I'm using for this DIY deep conditioner. I'm going to be using some peppermint oil, the African Pride 5 essential oils, the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie, and some organic honey. Any other time I would have used a regular deep conditioner, but since my hair was super dry, I decided to give it a little TLC. I have a small bowl, and first I'm going to add a couple of scoops of the As I Am Restore and Repair Smoothie. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the organic honey. Next, I have the African Pride 5 essential oils, and this oil smells so good. I really like it because it has castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. So all these oils are just right here in this bottle, so I don't have to add them separately, which I like. Now, I didn't measure this, I just added until it looked like I had enough. Then I'm going to add about 6 drops of peppermint oil, and it gives the scalp like a real cool minty feeling after you rinse out the deep conditioner. I'm going to stir that all up, and I know my nails look really bad. I just taken out some acrylic, so we're just going to pretend that we don't see them, okay? Right here, I'm just applying the DIY deep conditioner on both halves of my hair. Now, the honey does make this deep conditioner a little sticky, but it's really not that bad. A deep conditioner is basically conditioner with oil. So if you don't have deep conditioner, you can make your own at home, and you can just use conditioner with some type of oil that goes good with your hair. Right here, I'm just adding 2 twists in my hair, and then I'm going to add a plastic bag. I'm going to put that on top of my head, and then you'll see me wrap a towel around my head, and I'm going to leave that on for about an hour so that can trap in the heat. Right here, my hair is all detangled, and I got the deep conditioner rinsed out. And in the next clip, I had added some Eden's Curl Defining Cream and the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and I used those as my styler, and I added those when my hair was damp. And this is the next day after my hair is dry and fluffed out a bit. So if your hair is really dry, maybe this deep conditioner is something that you can try out. So thank you so much for watching. If you like hair content, please consider subscribing. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.